Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make and store tomato sauce. First, choose about 5 pounds of ripe red tomatoes. Wash them well, then core and quarter each one. You can also remove the seeds if you prefer a smoother sauce. This initial preparation is key for a delicious base, ensuring your sauce has a vibrant color and rich taste. Get ready to transform these fresh ingredients into something amazing. Now let's get cooking. Place your prepared tomatoes into a large pot. Add a few cloves of minced garlic, a handful of fresh basil leaves, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Let it cook for about 45 to 60 minutes, stirring occasionally. This slow simmer allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and aromatic sauce. Once your sauce has simmered, it's time to achieve that perfect texture. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot or pass the sauce through a food mill for a smoother consistency. Now, taste and adjust the seasonings. Add a bit more salt, pepper, or even a teaspoon of sugar to balance the acidity. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil at the end adds a lovely richness and gloss. Finally, let's talk about storing your delicious homemade sauce. Make sure the sauce cools completely before transferring it. Ladle it into clean, airtight containers or freezer-safe bags, leaving about 1 inch of headspace if freezing. You can refrigerate the sauce for up to 5 to 7 days, or freeze it for up to 6 months. This way, you'll have fresh, flavorful tomato sauce ready whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.